Hi, this is V.S.Patel, advocate. Today's session we are discussing the topic is that whether Indian new laws retrospective or prospective in nature. We will discuss. So, before going to topic, this is the V.S.Patel, advocate, member of the Supreme Court Bar Association New Delhi, life member of the High Court Bar Association Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, lives in Hyderabad, Telangana State. So, member in 10 bar associations in Telangana State. So, friends, if you have any legal doubts, you may be contact 900-595-006. Contact details available in description box. Please follow. Like, share, subscribe. Forward to your friends. So, guys, you know very well, on 1/7/2024, there is a commencement of the Indian new laws. That is that BNS, BNSS, BSA. You know that very well. BNSA, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. This was come in the place of the IPC. And BNSS, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita. This is in the place of the CRPC. And BSA, Bharatiya Saksha Adhiniyam. So that is that in the place of the evidence law, Indian evidence law. So you know very well about that. Friends, whether this new Indian laws is a prospective in nature or retrospective in nature. Before that, what is the meaning of retrospective and prospective? You know very well that retrospective is that simple meaning is that looking back. It is a act which is applicable to previous incidents. Clear? That is a retrospective. And in case of the prospective in nature is that it is applicable to the future only. So, if any act comes such a date, the act will applicable from that date only. For example, Indian laws comes came into force on 1/7/2024. So that is a new laws applicable 1/7/2024. It means the Indian laws is a prospective in nature. Clear? So, however, the retrospective nature is not applicable to the Indian laws. It means it is not applicable to the old incidents. Indian new laws shall not applicable to the previous incidents. It is applicable to the incident occurred on after. That is the 1/7/24, July 1st 24. If any incident occurred, crime occurred, that onwards, this new laws applicable. That is the BNS, BNSS, BSA. Clear? So that clear cut is that the Indian new laws is in prospective nature. What is that? Prospective nature. It will applicable to future. That is that from 1/7/2024 onwards it is applicable. Before it is not applicable. Clear? So that. So we are going to discuss some points in this category. So if any accident, if any incident, crime occurred before the commencement of the 1/7/24 means old acts will applicable. Clear? So date of incident of crime should be taken into consideration. For example, The crime is occurred on May 5th, 2024. So, such a case, only old laws will applicable. Why? Because the Indian new laws come into effect on 1/7/24. It means before that, old laws will applicable. Clear? So, if date of incident of crime occurred on 2/7/24, then new laws will applicable. Clear? This is the example. And also some practical difficulties are there. What is that? If now we are uploading the new Indian laws into the computerizer in police department as well as advocate field and judicial field, whatever it may be, we are uploading the new laws. If any old case come, what is the position? So that is some practical problem are there. But however, we have the books. But remember, so this is that only date of incident should be taken into consideration. Clear? Before the 1/7/24, only old acts. And 1/7/24 new acts will applicable. Clear? So then there is a police officers and advocates and judicial employees, presiding officer, whoever, whatever it may be, they should have the command on the old laws as well as new laws. Clear? And one more thing is that Indian Constitution clearly stating that Article 20 of the Indian Constitution prohibit the retrospective criminal laws. Prohibit the legislation to make the retrospective criminal laws. Clear? That is that Constitution, Indian Constitution, Article 21 prohibit the legislation to make a retrospective criminal laws. It means whatever it law enactment made by the legislature, it should be in prospective nature. Clear? This is the information on this session, friends. This is a very most important because when we are in practical way, then we are getting some doubts are there. That's why this video will useful for the senior advocates, junior advocates, whoever, police officer, whoever, whatever it may be, is very useful, and general public also be. So that is that clear cut. Finally, conclusion is that new Indian laws is a prospective nature. It is applicable from 1/7/24 onwards only when acts came into force. That is a 1/7/24. The Indian laws are not a retrospective nature. Clear, friends? Are you understand? If you understand, give the like, share, subscribe. Please forward to your friends. This is V.S.Patel. Friends, I am giving the clear information and practical information. If any confusion is there in field of the practical of the profession, then I am giving. So your duty is that just 10 minutes you can give allot your time, see the total video and give the like, share, subscribe, forward to your friends. Why? Because why I am asking that? If you give the like, then I will get a motivation, and forward to your friends, our channel will get a reach our more public. Then it is very useful information, you know. Yes, guys. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Give the like, share, subscribe. V.S.Patel, Supreme Court Advocate. So we will meet next video. Thank you for watching.